Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Air Inflator. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, let's get started. First of all, this one only comes with the air inflator. You can see on the box, there's no tool included. That means there's no other components like the battery is not included, but you actually could use a DeWalt battery as well. 20V lithium ion batteries, 20V max lithium ion batteries, that is. And you can see that the part numbers are here, DCC020IB. And battery and charger sold separately. And this one in particular doesn't have it, but it's a very hot seller, I found out. Guarantee tough, that's the slogan for DeWalt. And a little bit on the side over here, pretty much the same thing. 12V AC, DC adapter included. All right, so this box over here, I'm gonna read a little bit of the specs for you. High pressure operating range 3 to 160 psi. High pressure SCFM at 35 psi, 0.5. High volume SCFM 15.2. Total weight of this is only 5.5 pounds. It's pretty lightweight overall. It's actually more lightweight than my other model. And even if I have the battery in there, it's still pretty lightweight. It comes cordless air inflator, 12V high pressure taper nozzle. So everything you need to know. 3 years limited warranty, 1 year free service, 90 days money back guarantee. So that's all it is on the box, and that's the part number again. Very hot seller lately. All right, so a little bit about the info here. There's an instruction manual as well too. It talks about the different components and such. Pretty much in my case, I'll be using it to inflate my tires, so I don't have to be stuck at the gas station or something. Or if you see the gas station one works. So here's another document as well included. So that's all is included in terms of documentation. See the high volume hose is over there if you need to inflate a float. And here's the other attachments as well. I'm not going to go into that. If you're interested, you could check out their website, including the needle if you want to fill a ball, beach ball or something like that, a deflator tool and such. The top is an inflator and deflator. So over here, you notice there's the high volume nozzle. All right, the on and off button is the upper left over here, and you got the tire, inflate, deflate, and also the light. And over here, you got the other hose, that one that you're gonna use. So just lift it up, and you can just use it. And all the attachment and the tools are included into this inflator, deflator. Simple as that. So just be careful not to pull it too much. It looks pretty sturdy overall. It's not a cheap device, I guess. And this one's about like $99. All right, it's on sale. Okay. This is the 12V DC adapter, and you pretty much plug it into the unit and plug the other end to your cigarette lighter. You see that? So let me see if I could get a better shot of the. Here's it. Inside, you just plug this part inside over there if you were to plug it into cigarette lighter and power, because you always need power to use it. And you need to supply a 20V DeWalt battery in my case, because I'm not going to plug in the cigarette lighter. I don't believe you should plug in anything into the cigarette lighter of the car. And how you put it in, so you need to see there's a slide over there. Simple as that. Let's drop it in like that. So you see this one has some grooves over here. Just drop it in. There you go. There's no big secret. You actually could use a smaller battery as long as the 20V max lithium ion. So then you remove the cap to your tire. Then you take the hose over here. If I could get it with my other hand, which is kind of difficult. Maybe lay this thing on the side, so it makes it easier to record at the same time. So that's how it looks at the other end. And let's twist it in. When you twist it in all the way, I'm not going to twist it in partially, then turn on the unit because I want to measure. This thing also measures as well too. It measures the PSI on the tire right now. So that's a really good feature. You don't have to go get another tool to measure, which I used to have to do. So it's at 36.8 right now. Pretty much you hit the play button over there. You twist it to say 37 or something, right? You don't need to hit any other button, right? But I'm going to do something different. I'm just going to hit it and show you what it is. Suppose you did that and hit that to start. But suppose you hit that, deflate, hit it again, you get the tire. So then you have to do it all over again. But in fact, you just plug it in and just twist it. It was already made simple. You went over it, well, just twist it back. Very easy. All right. All right, it's inflating. Sorry, it's pretty noisy. That's the only negative I heard about this product. It's very sturdy. It doesn't come with a battery. Of course it does. Then it costs you a lot more money. It's an optional thing that you can purchase. One other thing I noticed is like it's going to go over 37, even though you set it as 37. Usually it's like 0.2 or 0.3 over. And, you know, a lot of times I just turn it off. And I already got my PSI, let's say, right? So twist it out carefully and put the cap back on the tire. Pretty much that's all it is. There's no other secret. I'm just using it for air inflator for my tires. Of course, you can use it to inflate other things as well too, like balls, beach balls, you know, stuff, air horses or everything you need, right? So simple as that. It's a great tool, and like any of the DeWalt products, this definitely should last a while. And yeah, it's very sturdy, and it makes it a lot easier than you have to get another measuring tool to measure the PSI. Pluses and minuses, very easy to use, very simple to use. Price is relatively inexpensive still. Negative is pretty loud when it's inflating, and also it does go over the PSI you set. But then again, once you remove the hose, it does lose some of the pressure. So you keep that in mind. There's a little fudge factor, I guess, over there. So I would say, in my opinion, I would recommend it and buy it. It's definitely worth it. There's other brands out there, like Milwaukee. They also have a really great tool, and you can also check that one out if you like too. But I think the DeWalt is the one to get because their tools last a long time. And this one's very smooth when it's inflating. It's not like it's struggling. Hope you liked the video. Surprise of the day. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.